This is a drone video from the end of the day of the site prep workshop here in Springfield, Vermont. And this was the workshop in June 2018. And you can see a section of historic wall has all been stripped out and the stone has been sorted. A lot of the big stones have been split up, ready for building cheek ends and through stones. And we are all set to build. The batter frames are up. We've got about a 40-foot section here that's ready to go. This is the end of the first day. You can see the section of walls about half built with some through stones on. And then this drone is continuing down the wall that's been built over the last year and a half by several workshops. You can see it's just a beautiful site to work out in this historic farm fields of Vermont, upland meadow area. And here we are at the end of the workshop, the new section of completed wall. Extra stone has been cleaned up. There's two new cheek ends that were built. And we're panning down, getting into the section of wall here that was built by previous workshops. There's the step style that was built last summer by a workshop. Continuing down, all this here was built in 2017. And that's what's up at the training site in Springfield, Vermont. Thanks to Alex and Amy Hwanski, who took this drone footage and provided it to us to share with you.